In a small town nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious little girl named Lily. One sunny afternoon, she found a peculiar jar while playing in the park. It was not like any other jar she had seen before. It was made of a shimmering, golden material and had a question mark engraved on it. Lily picked up the jar and, with a twinkle in her eyes, asked, "What's inside this special jar?" Suddenly, a soft, gentle voice replied, "Choose a question, and I shall answer it truthfully." Lily thought for a moment and asked, "How can I be kinder to the world around me?" The voice inside the jar whispered, "By showing patience, understanding, and love." Feeling inspired, Lily went home and decided to help her neighbors in need. She spent the rest of the day assisting the elderly Mrs. Johnson with groceries, helping little Timmy with his homework, and even picking up litter in the park. As she returned the jar to its hiding place under the old oak tree, she felt a sense of contentment wash over her. That night, she slept soundly, dreaming of her magical question jar and the difference she could make in the world. One day, while playing in the park again, she found a group of children who were feeling sad because they had lost their ball. Lily asked the jar, "How can I help these children find their ball?" The jar responded, "Ask them to close their eyes and imagine the ball in their hands." The children followed her instructions, and as they opened their eyes, there was their ball, right in front of them. The children cheered with joy, and Lily felt a warm glow inside. From that day on, Lily's magical question jar became a beacon of hope and kindness in her small town. It taught her and many others the power of questions and the magic of helping others. And every night, Lily would dream of all the wonderful things she could do with her magical question jar.